Discontinuous strings. We have talked about discontinuous strings when we were talking about prepositional phrase further into the room than Bill, and we said that further actually is more linked to than Bill, which is a sentence, subordinate sentence, than into the room, which is prepositional preposition and its complement. So let's look at the validity of this rule. Above we have introduced discontinuous string in adjective phrase, and obviously in prepositional phrase too. These are elements which belong together but which are separated by intervening material. So in the following example, such discontinuous strings are italicized. He is too nice to do such a thing. So here to actually link to do such a thing. And similarly, Suzanne is more ambitious than her brother. So more is more linked to than to ambitious. The boy is less intelligent than his younger sister. Adjective phrase may be split up by the noun they modify. For example, he is too nice a man to do such a thing. So the adjective phrase is split by a man, right? So to do something, right? So you will not find a more ambitious girl than Suzanne, right? So in these two, 10 and 11, we find that adjective phrase nice is intervened by a noun phrase, right? To which they modify. Nice modifies a man and ambitious modifies girl, right? So in the examples above, adjective phrases are separated by head noun. So in English, it is not possible to place the adjective together with its complement or post modifier before a head noun. So we cannot put adjective with a post modifier with the head noun. Let's look at the example. He is too nice to do thing. So we cannot say too nice to do something to do such a thing. So we cannot directly link it with to do something without its noun, right? You will not find a more ambitious than Suzanne girl, right? So girl is shifted from ambitious. It should have been after ambitious, like man should have been after thing, right? So we cannot do this. However, it's possible to find the full adjective phrase as a post modifier. For example, he's a man too nice to do such a thing. So we can place it after the noun but not before the noun. You will not find a girl more ambitious than Suzanne. So adverb phrase. We talked about prepositional phrase, we talked about verb phrase, we talked about adjective phrase, but what about adverb phrase? However, we want to say that adverb phrase, since they do not have a complement, so they do not have such layers. So it would be difficult to extend the analysis proposed here to adverb phrases since they lack a complement. So we have seen that how these phrases, all 5 phrases except the adverb phrase, have layers in them when they are directly linked with one with the head, or when they have some subordinatory function with the head.